Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about grapes and the nutritional aspects and health benefits of these delicious little fruits. Now we're talking about grapes in general, not a specific variety of grapes. We've got green grapes, red grapes, black grapes, and maybe some other ones out there as well. But these are in general terms here. Now the shining star of grapes, when we're talking about the nutritional benefits, would be their phytonutrients, but they also do have some vitamins and minerals that are noteworthy to speak of. And so that includes copper, vitamin K, thiamine, riboflavin, potassium, manganese, vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin A, some fiber, and even some iron. And for the record, 1 cup of red or green grapes has about 104 calories. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the shining star of grapes really has to do with their phytonutrients that are in there, and they have an array of different types of compounds in them, plenty of them, and I'll list a few of them below here so that you can see. In addition to these compounds that you see listed here, they also do contain some melatonin and some unique oligopeptide molecules that have antibacterial and other type of beneficial properties to them. And it's not surprising that grapes have a lot of health benefits to them, and it includes supporting the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, the immunity, inflammatory processes, blood sugar regulation, and even the nervous systems. And they have been found to help prevent cancer as well. So grapes have a lot of health benefits to them. Now, making mention about raisins before we go specifically into the health benefits of them. Raisins, we know, are dehydrated grapes, and they're made either through oven drying or sun drying. And they can be a healthy addition to a diet, but they should not be considered to be a complete substitute for fresh grapes. And that's because the dehydration process removes water and it concentrates the sugar and the calories in the grapes. And for every ounce of raisins, you have 4 times the amount of sugar and calories in there that you would find in fresh grapes. And you don't want to assume that raisins also have the same phytonutrient compounds in them as fresh grapes, because some may have leached out with the water, some may have broken down in the process of dehydration. So raisins can be a healthful addition to your diet, but you really need to monitor them if you eat them and not overdo on them, because they are so concentrated in sugars and calories. Opt for the fresh grapes anytime you possibly can. Among the phytonutrients that are in grapes are plenty of antioxidants. All total, researchers have found literally hundreds of different types of antioxidants in grapes. So now it is noteworthy that most of those antioxidants, not all, but most of them, are concentrated in the grape seeds and the skins of the grapes. So if you have grapes, it's important to eat the whole thing if you possibly can, including the skin as well, so you get the full benefit of what Mother Nature has to offer in that delicious little fruit. Research on the antioxidant benefits of grapes includes preventing certain oxygen-related enzymes from becoming overactive, and this increases our blood levels of glutathione, which is a very important antioxidant nutrient. They also help to protect our cell membranes from free radical damage, and it lowers the levels of oxygen reactive molecules in the body, and this reduces the oxidation of fat and lowers biomarkers for oxidative stress. Translating that, it helps to keep you healthy, okay? The antioxidants in grapes also have been shown to have anti-inflammatory benefits, helping to squelch the inflammation process and reducing the activity of pro-inflammatory messaging molecules and the overproduction of enzymes that are needed in the inflammatory process. So grapes are anti-inflammatory. There are a number of cardiovascular benefits as well to grapes, including better blood pressure regulation, including lowering high blood pressure, better regulation of total cholesterol, including lowering total cholesterol, reducing LDL, that's our low density lipoprotein cholesterol, that's the cholesterol type that we want to keep down, reducing LDL oxidation, which is very important in helping to keep us healthy, reducing the levels of reactive oxygen molecules in the body, reducing cell adhesion to blood vessel walls, helping to keep our blood vessels clean and open, reducing clumping of platelet cells when that clumping is inappropriate. It helps to enhance the release of nitric oxide from the lining of our blood vessel walls in situations where vasodilation is needed. This is really important. And better inflammatory regulation in the blood, which we've already mentioned, and increased levels of glutathione in the blood. All of those work together to help keep our cardiovascular system healthy, helping us to reduce our risk for heart disease and stroke. Grapes also have blood sugar benefits as well. They have been classified, believe it or not, as a low glycemic food with a value that ranges from 43 to 53 or so. Researchers have connected eating grapes to better blood sugar balance, better insulin regulation, and increased insulin sensitivity. It's really speculated that the strong phytonutrient content in grapes is really responsible for these benefits. They also have some anti-aging and longevity benefits. Some of the phytonutrients in grapes appear to play a role in longevity and may provide anti-aging benefits. Resveratrol is one of them. It's been shown to increase the expression of genes related to longevity. Eat more grapes, hopefully you'll live longer and live a better quality of life as well. Cognitive benefits. Several recent studies have shown that grapes may provide us with some important cognitive benefits. One study found improved scores on the California Verbal Learning Test after participants drank 1 to 2 cups of Concord grape juice a day for over several months. So you can't do this overnight, honey. You got to do it over time. Animal studies have shown that excessive reactive oxygen species and accumulation of beta-amyloid protein in the brain can be prevented with grape extracts. The extracts have also been found to reduce pro-inflammatory messaging molecules in the brain. So large-scale human studies need to confirm those findings, but the benefits do look very promising in that eating grapes on a regular basis or maybe taking even some grapeseed extract can help for your brain health. There are also some antimicrobial benefits to eating grapes on a regular basis. There are a number of phytonutrients in the grapes, including quercetin and resveratrol, that have been shown to have antimicrobial properties. Research in this area is very, very young, but scientists are speculating that the compounds may help to prevent microbe-related problems and like a foodborne illness. Grapes appear to also have some anti-cancer benefits. Chronic oxidative stress and inflammation are key factors in the development of cancer. Since grapes have a lot of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, they can help to lower our risk for cancer by reducing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Current research has focused mostly on the effects of the antioxidants in grapes on breast cancer, colon cancer, and prostate cancers. There may also be some visual benefits from eating grapes on a regular basis. According to researchers at the Bascom Palmer Eye Institute at the University of Miami in Florida, grapes can help to ward off eye diseases. The benefit is attributed to their lutein and zeaxanthin compounds, the two very strong antioxidants, and they prevent free radicals from causing damage to the retina. So you can see there are a lot of health benefits and potential health benefits from eating grapes on a regular basis. Thanks to modern technology and transportation methods, Grapes can usually be found year-round wherever you're at in most grocery stores. So try to take advantage of that and eat grapes whenever you possibly can. You don't have to gorge on them, but if you make them a regular part of your diet, you should help to realize some of these benefits. I do hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.